Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. They sent me this closure wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. I will be showing y'all how I got this easy natural look without no baby hairs, y'all. Repeat, no baby hairs. No baby hairs were included in on this wig. It's definitely melted, definitely giving natural, y'all. So let's get right into this video. So this is the final look. This is how everything looks. This is how the wig looks at the end of the install without me adding any baby hairs to this unit, y'all. I definitely like this. It's definitely giving clean, natural hairline, silk press. The only thing that I did not like about this wig, the way that it was made at the top, it had like a lump made around the tracks. Like however the wig was made, they overlapped the tracks on the lace, so it is like a lump at the top. But I tried to finesse it as best as I could. Other than that, I don't have nothing bad to say about this hair. I definitely love the unit and the natural look, y'all. Also, if you like these lashes are from TaHoney. That will be in the description box. Everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go use my discount code if you are interested. And I will see y'all in my next video.